Really, I've said I've had my last word about this Obi issue. I just feel that they do not value tolerance, political tolerance, and the views of others, and they engage in political extremism. So that's just it's nothing personal, it's just that I cannot sit back and watch fellow citizens insulted, bullied, harassed, by this online mob of, irredeemable political extremists. So I have nothing personal, just ideological. Let Peter come first and make this assertion. He said he's going to sue me. Let him come. If he makes the assertion, he who has asserts must prove. Then I will now have his time. I don't want to be joining issues with irrelevant people. As far as I'm concerned, you see, I've never insulted or attacked any obedient before, because as far as I'm concerned, they are very irrelevant people. But it is Peter. He is the person who has put himself up for election. So if he feels that he's equal to the task, please, he should sue me. He should take the challenge. I've challenged him. Let him come and sue me.
How about Aisha Yusuf?
Believe me, I don't respond to people that work for politicians. Let Peter come. Let's meet in court, me and Peter.
But some are also accusing you of working for the team.
Don't worry. Let Peter sue me. If Peter sue me, we will know who is working for who. Maybe Peter worked for Atiku at one point, but today he's a saint. Let's meet in court. Too much talking is not good. It's spoil soup. You say you're going to sue me. 3 weeks later, you haven't sued me. Abba, you to help me join and beg him now. Let him take. Look, I'm in the court. I'm ready. Let him also sue me now.